Hi everyone, my name is Pranjal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you room decor DIYs and that too budget friendly. So let's get started with today's video. Things we need are old oil tin, white oil paint and brush, some fabric colors, old cloth, some cotton, hot glue gun, masking tape or painter's tape. Now color the tin with white oil paint color thoroughly and let it get dry overnight. When the tin dries completely, now take the masking tape and cover the tin in geometrical design. Now take some fabric colors in contrast and color the triangles accordingly. I am taking some blue color, some pink color, some yellow color, purple, blue and coloring the triangles. This is how it looks after painting. Now remove the masking tape one by one when the colors dry completely. Yeah, this is how our first DIY looks like. Sitting stool. Now we are going to make pillow to sit over it. Take the cloth according to the size of the tin. Paste the glue in the half portion of the cloth on both the sides. Once you done gluing the two sides, you have to fold it inside out. And now to actually stuff the pillow, you can use anything you have. I had cotton, so I am using it. You can stuff the old clothes, wool, etc. Now cover the another end with the glue gun. And our pillow is ready. We need white cloth, scissor, glue gun, cardboard and some wools. Take a cardboard piece and fold the wool around it at least for 40 times. Then cut the thread and tie the knot around the bunch of thread. Then cut the threads from the another side. And to give it a tassel look, tie another knot at the upper end. And yes, cut the extra cuts. And now the tassels are ready. As I showed earlier, make the same pillow. Now paste the tassels one by one at all the edges of the pillow. And our tassel cushion is ready. We need white cloth thinner, sketch pen and glue gun. On a white cloth, just take a sketch pen and scribble it on. You just have to take colors and intersect them. As yellow and blue intersect and form a new color, that is green. You just have to keep scribbling on. And this is how it looks after we color whole cloth. Now we have to take a thinner and put the holes in the bottle with the safety pin. And now spray that thinner all over the cloth. Likewise. You can see it can form the bubbles now. You can see the mixture of colors. And this is how it looks when we spread thinner all over. And now by following the same process again, we have to make a cushion. And our sketch pen cushion is ready. Take a old t-shirt and mark a straight line on it. Now draw the shape of a cloud on it. Now take a scissor and cut the shape of a cloud. Once we get done with the shape, we have to hot glue it. We properly have to fix both the sides of the cotton. Now put the leftovers and cottons in the soft toy and then fix it with a hot glue gun. After that, make some eyes, nose for the soft toys with the cloth. Paint it with the black and white. You can also make some pink cheeks, nose, and then stick that with the hot glue gun. Isn't it cute? And yeah, our cute cloud is ready. We need cardboard ring, some wool, glitter paper, flowers, some color paper. Take a cardboard ring and wrap around the wool in a circular motion. Likewise. Here is the final result. Now take a glitter paper and cut the horn for the unicorn. Now stick the horn on the ring. You have to cut 2 ears of the unicorn. Now take a glitter paper and cut the ears of the unicorn. We have to paste these pink ears over the white ear. And now paste the horn and the ears over the ring. Now take different color paper and fold it like we make fan. Now cut the remaining paper and again fold it to make it like a fan. Now fold it in between and cut it to give a flower shape. Now take the glue and stick the middle part of both the papers. And now again stick both the ends of the flower. Our flower is ready. Now decorate that flower with some artificial flowers. Now paste that flower on the ring according to the contrast. Now take the wool and intersect it around the ring. Likewise, we have to take a pink and white combination and cut the excess wool. Now tie the knot and paste it over the horn. And our dream catcher is ready. Take a cardboard and draw the shape of a cloud on it. Now with the scissor, cut the shape of a cloud. You can see the shape. Now put the holes in the cardboard with anything you have. I had this kind of a big needle, so I am using it. You can use anything. And this is how it looks at the end. Now take white oil paint color and color the cardboard. Once you have done coloring, now take a pencil, draw some eyebrows, lashes and lips on the cloud. Now take a black paint and draw that again. I am giving the lashes some curly look to look like a unicorn. Now take a glitter paper and stick some chicks to the cloud. You can also put a horn to a unicorn with the golden glitter paper. Now you have to take a glitter paper, paste a glue gun at the edges of the paper and with the scissors cut them in between. Likewise. Now you have to make a flower, make it in a circular motion. Now stick the end with the hot glue gun. And now you have to paste in between of the horn. Take 2 more flowers of blue and purple color and stick to give it a unicorn look. Now take some fairy lights and put that lights in the hole. One by one. Start from a starting point so it will not give you a messy look. And the combination of a cloud and a unicorn is ready. Isn't it look cute? Lighting showpiece. So yeah, those were the DIYs I made, and that too budget friendly. And if you guys happen to recreate it, tag me on my Instagram page. I will love to see your recreation. And if you guys found this video helpful, then hit the like button and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell to get notified whenever I post the new video. I'll be back with some amazing DIYs. Until then, bye.